This short video should help you understand where you fall on the Fitzpatrick scale. What's the natural colour of your eyes? What's your natural hair colour? Red or sandy blonde? Light blonde? Medium brown? Dark brown? Black? How freckly are the unexposed areas of skin on your body? What colour is closest to the skin in the areas of your body that are usually unexposed to the sun? For each parent you have that is African or East or South Indian, add 10 points. Asian, Latin American or Mediterranean, add 5 points. How sensitive is your face to the sun? How often do you tan within a few hours of sun exposure? Never, rarely, occasionally, often, always. To what degree do you tan after sun exposure? Never tan, tan mildly, tan well, tans easily, develops a quick and deep tan. What happens to your skin if you stay in the sun for too long? When did you last expose your face or body to the sun, UV bed or spray tan? 3 or more months ago, 2 or more months ago, 1 or more months ago, less than a month ago, or less than 14 days ago? When outdoors, how often do you expose the area to be treated to the sun? Never, briefly, unsure, often, or always? Okay, now add together all of the scores from throughout this video for a close estimation of where you fall on the Fitzpatrick scale.